Alright guys, tech support mode tayo ngayon. Meron tayo ditong Vivo phone galing sa kasama natin sa bahay, si Ate Maylene. And may problem ang phone na to, paita ko lang sa inyo. Ang problema ng phone na to is that every time you try to do something, may nagpa-pop up na ads. And that's ito yung example ng ad mo. It's very indicative of Trojan behavior. Hindi siya ano 'no, hindi mo siya to the point na hindi mo siya magamit, okey? 'Yan, hindi talaga siya part ng system, and it doesn't help na sobrang bagal na ng phone na 'to. Ayan, kung ano-anong ads yung lumalabas kasi ang purpose nung Trojan na naka-infect dito sa phone ni Ate Maylene is to make money from ads. Ayan. Ayan, oh, 'di ba? Very, very annoying. And it's very crippling dun sa system, dun sa gumagamit. At dun sa system mismo kasi ang bagal-bagal na nga ng phone na to. At the same time, okay, nakita nyo yun. Recently opened apps, may lumabas kanina na Decorat. So, we're gonna keep track of that. Tapos meron ding app na most recently opened, BP Track, tsaka BP Wizard. So, we're gonna remember those, yan, 'di ba? Wala tayong ginalaw, bigla na lang may nag-pop up. So, we're gonna keep track of those apps and we're gonna focus on them. Okay? We're gonna try to remove those apps first. Yung Decorat, BP Wizard, BP Track. And it's good that, ayan na naman. It's good that Vivo has that feature to display the most recently used apps because that cuts down on our process of narrowing down kung ano yung nagko-cause ng problem dito. Ayan. Kita nyo, di ba? No, the moment I try to switch, biglang lumabas kagad yung yung tawag dito, na terminate yung process. So, ang goal natin dito is to clean the system without doing a reset. So, thing is, doing a reset is the easy way out. And you might be tempted to like do a reset kasi nakakapagod eh. It's very frustrating when you encounter uh, cases like this. Okay. Switch again, observe, ayan, no, BP Track Pro, 'di ba? Lumabas yung name nung app nung nung nag-switch tayo. So, yan yung unahin natin. Ito, BP Track Pro. At mabuti na lang, okay, ang hinala ko is that, syempre hindi natin dinelete kaagad eh. Ang hinala ko is that merong permission itong app na to to display over other apps. Pero right now, hindi natin siya makita and gusto ko na talaga siyang burahin to stop. So we're gonna, i-force stop natin siya. Medyo masochista tayo, no? Hindi natin tine-terminate kagad. Ayan. BP Track Pro, yan, no? Mukhang tama yung ano natin. We're gonna force stop. BP Track Pro. And we're gonna uninstall. Actually, I'm tempted, no? Kasi gusto ko talagang ma-explore yung behavior nito. Mm. So we're gonna go to storage. We're gonna clear cache. We're gonna clear storage. Di ko alam kung saan nanggaling itong BP Trackpad. Basta ang kwento ni Ate Maylene is that may install siyang wallpaper app. Ulit, di ba? May install siyang wallpaper app. Tapos mula nun, may nakita ko, may lumabas na bagong pop-up, D something. Search with the letter D. Tapos two words siya. So, that's enough for us to try to narrow down kung ano yung mga apps na nagko-cause ng problem. Kasi possible na merong behavior yung Trojan or yung virus that it will keep trying to spawn copies of itself. Ayan, meron pa rin, di ba? It will keep trying to spawn copies of itself to evade yung gantong cases where we're trying to fight against the Trojan to remove the infection or to clean up the infection. Okay. Kulit, nawala. Pero ayan. Wow. Frame, ano to? Ba't nawala yung ating apps? 'Di ba? Very intrusive yung behavior. So next na buburahin natin is the letter D. Parang decorate me, parang ganun yung nakita ko eh. Okay, we're gonna yan, yun yung mahirap dito. We're trying to fight against the Trojan. And it's challenging kasi ang dami niyang maraming maraming nagfa-fight for control over the system. So we're just gonna go to Play Store. Tapos dito natin siya i-delete. Ang hirap, 'di ba? Sobrang bagal. Two harmful apps. That's okay. De, sige. For the sake of doing more troubleshooting, parang for this video, let's just showcase yung capabilities ng Play Protect. So, na-identify nyo itong dalawang app na to, Habit Now. Kulit, di ba? And biglang nawala, di ba? Nawala kaagad yung Trojan kasi it's trying to evade detection. So, the moment na nag-focus tayo sa app, nag-self-terminate. So, we're gonna uninstall ito, Habit Now, and Macaron Animal Watch. Although itong Macaron Animal Watch is already disabled. Okay, sobrang bagal ng phone ni Ate Maylene. Dapat ito hindi umaabot sa gantong point na ganto na kalala. Dapat nung napapansin pa lang nung user na bumabagal yung kanyang system, ayan. Doon pa lang nagpapa nag ayan, Decorate Me. Yan yung app natin. That's the offending app. Tsaka yung BP Wizard mukhang bumalik, 'di ba? So, yung Decorate Me, tsaka BP whatever, yan yung mga buburahin natin. Recently updated, meron bang option to most used? Ayan, sige. Let's try most used. We wanna be able to delete those apps at the same time or as quickly as possible so that hindi siya mag-spawn na copies ng kanyang sarili. Okay, ito BP Wizard and Decorate Me. Nasaan na si Decorate Me? Kulit, 'di ba? Ayan. Kada galaw may nati-trigger. And this one doesn't have a wala siyang name dun sa mismo, wala siyang process name. So, evasive. Evasive yung kanyang behavior. Nawawala yung Decorate Me. Hinanap natin. Nasaan sa Decorate Me? Yan. Decorate Me. Yan. Okay, we've selected BP Wizard and Decorate Me. We uninstall it. Okay. We're gonna sort by name. And in order to do like a deep clean, you may wanna uninstall any apps that you're not too familiar with. Pero bilang hindi sa atin tong phone na to, possible na merong apps na talagang ginagamit nung user. So ayaw natin galawin yung ibang mga apps. Baka lang, 'di ba? Unless sure ka na yung app na binubura mo is really malicious, we wanna minimize the impact of the actions that we will be taking dito sa phone na hindi naman sa atin. So, based on my cursory glance or casual na inspection, parang familiar or parang wala namang unfamiliar or suspicious looking app dito. Wala na yung BP whatever. So sana yun na yun, no? Sana na nahuli na natin. Okay. So far mukhang okay na. Wala nang nagtitrigger ng pop-up. Kasi kanina kada galaw natin may nagpa-pop up. Pero mabagal pa rin siya. Okay. So sana nakatulong ito sa mga nagkakaroon ng problem sa kanilang phone. Na-encounter niyo na ba yung virus na to, yung BP Wizard and Decorate Me? And kung hindi man, may na-experience ba kayong similar na situation na na-hijack yung inyong phone at hindi nyo siya magamit kasi may mga nagpa-pop up? Usap tayo sa comments. Bye!